Clap to both of. Yes. Your debate topic is hard work should be banned in school. I know that you can explain about this topic very well, and this is good for you. So now you can start.
Respected sir, good afternoon to all of you. Today is my topic. It is homework should be banned in the school. Yes, according to me, homework should be banned. First, I want to explain that what is homework. Homework is the strenuous activity that is completed by the student in this short time. Homework must be banned because this homework gives so much anxiety and the stress to these children. Homework kills the precious time of these students. These students drag them to the school and come back, put their all things into their bag, take ready and eat food and do sit for their homework. This homework take average 2 hours for the 2 hours in a day, and 1 and 2 hours left for them for the being sociable, for being extrovert and doing something else. They not have the time to be in the sports. They not have the time to go out from their house and know what are the going on. These teachers are also filling out the student for homework and doing the 6 hours school for a 8 hour schools. This homework not killing the time of the student, it is also killing the time of the teachers because of this homework the teacher have to mark the lessons, teacher have to check the homeworks of the student and to have to write the homework. Sometimes teacher have to write the homework on the blackboards. This time can be used in the much better way. The teacher can recite the lessons for the students and can be the fun classes for the student, which is the most important for them because every student have to be the extrovert, not be the introvert. If the student is socialism and have the interest in all of them, then the student is being capable of doing better in their future. Many times we see that if a person was doing homework, then it is independent and in having individual capability, but it is not true because studies give the result that the homework is a counterproductive activity, and if anyone is doing homework, it is not to true that everyone was the independent and doing their work independently, because they are must seen that for some small homeworks of the children, now the children having the tuitions, the parents want that homework must be done by the student in the right way, and all of these pay much more expensive education for the students. The students are firstly doing the tuition, then doing the homework, and then also doing the homework that the tuition teacher give to him or her. This homework is also give the lack of motivation to the student. Because of not completing this homework, the student get to lack of motivation for going to school and not want to school, and because they know that if they not complete the homework, they will be punished. And they many times it is seen that just because of homework, the student bunk the school and go outside just because that they do not do the homework of their school. They knew that they will be punished by their teachers, so that they will go outside for the bunk. And many times it is seen that just only because of student trap into the bad companies, and many accidents will be take place. This homework at last, it was killing the time of the students and teacher too, give the anxiety, lack of confidence, and lack of motivation to the children. At the time of the paper, it is seen that because of just a small quantity of homework, that the student have the habitual to that homework. That homework is so easy. They have more tension in the exam, because the exams study, that exam study is more than that which we do in the homework. So that time they will become in tension and have more fear of that exam and test. So I think so the homework should be banned because they are only killing the time of the students and teacher, and doing the lack of motivation in them. Thank you.
According to me, homework should banned as homework is the backbone of learning, and because of it's not be banned because of many reasons. Like first of all, homework increases our mental ability, and furthermore it is like the studies have shown that people who do more homework will be more smarter than the people who don't. And furthermore, homework is a stimulating activity that our children should do, so that he will have a great future.
I want to point out that you said that the student who do homework is more smarter than the student who don't. I also want to share that thing that the students who being sociable and being in the sports, even with their studies, are more smarter. Not that student which are the being not going outside their home and being closed in the room doing the homework. You know that homework takes. I also mentioned that homework takes the average 2 hours. 2 hours, and if the person was doing 6 hours, and you know that in the private school they have to 8 hours, we have to pull over for the 8 hours on the school, and then we came back to the school. We are also have spending 8 hours. We need the 8 hours sleep. Then this is the 16 hours have done, and 2 hours for the homework, and some 3 hours for the 3 hours for the eating and any other thing else. And the left time was only the left time was social and for talking to someone else and for doing something else. This enough to be the 2 or 3 years for only 2 or 3 years for only sociable, for the sports, for going out to the home. It is only enough for time for the students.
Yeah, it's enough for the 2 or 3 hours is enough for going sociable, and because it's been the future, the children who have to become a good to have a good future in their life, then they have to study more hard, and homework is not to be taken as a burden on them. Homework is taken as a activity, and it is done with the interest.
I also want to answer that you said that homework is not done as a burden. It is done as an activity. But you think that the teacher was doing that? Teacher was giving the homework is like an activity for the student. Activity is like in which the student have the interest, not anything which be created like an activity. It is on the interest of the student that it is an activity for that student or not. And every student have that homework be as a burden on that student, because I am also today and see that all the students are not want to do their homework. They want that homework must be completed in some time, and not to want to learn anything. But when they are doing on their own perspective, not on the behalf of that homework, then they are learning too much.
But homework is to be given in the limited quantity, so the children do not take it as a burden. It is given in the limited quantity, so that the students will complete it in some time, and it is taken as it's being a revision for the students, which they have studied in the tuitions and schools.
Yes, Nitika, I am asking to you, what if homework is banned?
If homework is banned, I think if homework is banned, there are so much time for the independent studies of the student. This is a time to the self study, not for the group study, not for the study in a burden of anything. This is a time to self study. If a person was doing a self study, it is more beneficial for that person.
Yes, good. I am asking to you, what are the reasons homework not be banned at school?
Homework increases the student's mental ability, and furthermore it's a stimulating activity which our children have to do, so that he will have a good brain patterns, and the children who do more study are usually more smarter than the people who don't.
Okay, anybody can ask to both of? Yeah.
As you said, that 2 hours enough for those students to be sociable. But from the social outside, student can learn more and more, because student can learn more and more from the books. If they were sociable, then they learn more from the outer side, not from the books and all that. Because from that time they will be at a kind of pressure. If for some and they close their books and put up everywhere. If they go outside and be sociable, they can learn learn more and more. And what is your opinion about this?
But from books, if they read books, they will also get more knowledge. As books are our best friends also.
But they are frustrated from that. If they go outside and a park, they talk to the 2 or 3 children, they become some sociable and can get good and new knowledge from them.
Yeah, so 2 or 3 hours is enough for going into a park and having a fun.
But it is not. I think that so if
But it
children
is
get
not that every person after 2 or 3 hours would be sociable.
Yeah, they will also have to go to tuition.
Go to tuitions and only 1 and 2 hours. Every student only have 1 and 2 hours because it also seems that the student have to kill their sleep for their homework.
And they also sitting fully time, it causes so much diseases also.
But if they manage their time and make a timetable according to their daily activities, then they have.
It's not possible.
Yes.
Because someday the homework which is given, it is so much many of them, and then suddenly teacher call us for copies checking. It doesn't
That's what
possible to
I'm
be.
saying, that homework should be given in a limited quantity, not
It
be
is not-
given in enough quantity.
It is not
It's been
given.
it's been in a form of revision for the students.
It is not given. Sometimes teachers give too much of activities to the student. If the person is not interested in that activities, then they punish that student. They do not know what is the reason that they don't do. They punish them only.
But they try to know. They try to do that activity.
How many times you see that if you are trying your homework, your teacher don't punish you if you have not completed your homework? How many times you seen that?
They ask us the reason why you did not have the homework, and if you tell the reason that I did not able to understand, and then they will understand
It is
the
the
problem.
most common excuse of the student who don't want to do homework that
But
they don't understand the topic.
The people who give excuses are not interested and did not want to and did not have a good future in their life.
And
If they
sometimes
neglect
teacher also
studies.
beat the
Yes.
students if
Yes.
they don't complete their homework.
Excuse me, I want to
But
ask
it-
you that if the teacher does not give the homework to the student, then how can he know about his capability of a student that he can do well in his future?
Yes, I want to answer you that if a person was doing something in the school and the homework is not given, then the parents and the tutor want to ask them that what is the happen in the school. The student will ask that this activity was happen in the school. These activities happen in the school. Like this was our syllabus is going on, and in every school there was a syllabus booklet was given with the book with the class books that according to which the syllabus was going on. So it is not necessary that homework will be given to that person to know the ability of that person.
If a teacher who wants to prepare her or his student become famous in his life or become a big man, then he has to know his weaknesses and the capability of that student. Then he has to work on it. Then how can he?
Homework is not the only criteria to know that what is the ability of that person. Homework is also can be known that in the class. If the teacher want to know that what is the ability of that person, in which things it is he or she will be weak and in which things he or she have their strength, they have to only watch that what are they doing. They only have to watch that watch the criteria of doing the things, what in which way they are doing the work. Not the homework is not only the criteria to
But giving
be.
the homework is also like a practice, and practice makes a man perfect.
But I think that the work which we doing before the exam is also a practice. So why homework is given?
But it's done in a very short time, which is only meant for the exam
Okay,
and after it.
many times it is seen that before the exam you have lots of homework. Then what you will do, that homework or that the preparation of it.
I leave my homework and do my preparation.
Then you
So why you are not doing homework? Homework is given. Homework is for your practice.
Because if the homework is not according to my paper, then I leave it. And
But it is a practice for your future now.
it's the practice for future, and future
So
is
homework is now it is you are saying that homework is the practice. So it is practice for future. We can practice in
but
practice
if
in the
we
future.
have to take one step and the third step which we come later, then we have to first follow the first step and then later.
I also mentioned the word self-study. But the homework is the only way to practice for the papers, for the exam, for the test.
I
Do the
want to ask
self-study.
from you why homework is important for a children. Please tell me.
Homework is important because of many reasons, like it increases our mental ability, and also it becomes a practice for the children, and through homework he came to know that how much he is prepared for the exams also, and he is revising what he had studied in the whole day.
But teacher give a activity for a children, is a many activity. So children have no time. Children have work in a revision for prepare for a exam. So what will do children?
So the homework which he is doing is also a type of revision, and teachers should give homework in a limited quantity so that he may have extra time also for
If your
self-study.
teacher was giving you a homework in a much quantity, then you have enough.
But teacher then-
But when
ability to
teacher give you-
ask that teacher that you.
But when teacher give you homework in a much quantity, then he or she will give you time also for completing, like 2 days, 3 days.
I
Okay.
don't agree.
Okay, nice.
I want to ask you, so when we are most of the time we will see that homework will get marks, and then when we are not done our homework, so
I'm not saying that not do the homework. I'm saying that ban the homework given in the schools. I'm not saying that do not do the homework. I'm totally against that homework should be banned.
Okay, nice. This is the nice debate. I hope so that you have listened to very well about homework must be banned in the school. So according to both of them, we spoke about it. It is nice. Thank you so much. Clap to both of them.